7 important lessons in life that are often known too late. Life is a continuous learning experience. Throughout our lives, we will experience phases of ups and downs while taking important lessons. Some of these lessons come from experience, but there are others we learn by watching other people or reading in books, for example. No matter how much we learn from books, there is a significant difference between learning in theory or practice. Besides, there are many life lessons that we cannot learn until we face certain situations in our life. Most people would say that there are some lessons that come late and that catch us off guard and unprepared. Here are 7 of life's most important lessons that people learn the hard way. 1. Never underestimate experience. Experience is not only useful for making ourselves grow, but also for increasing opportunities in life. Now almost all aspects are always concerned with experience. When applying for a job, the first thing to look at is the work experience you have. The same thing also happens when going to join an organization or when you want to invite other people to become business partners. Everything is about experience. In matters of romance, the more experienced you are, the more mature you will be in your relationship. Experience also allows us to learn from mistakes. 2. Success requires hard work. Maybe you're tired of hearing motivations like, success comes from hard work, or, hard work is the key to success, and so on. But that's the truth. Humans need to work hard to get what they want. Especially if you don't have many profitable privileges. We don't know how hard the people around us are working. Those whose lives look easy don't mean they never work hard. It's just that you don't see directly the process behind the scenes. In essence, we cannot enjoy success without sacrificing time, money, and energy. 3. Walk our own path in life. As if it's like a natural trait that is hard to get rid of, that person likes to judge what other people are doing. This kind of pressure can cause us to stray from the path we started to carve for our future. Don't care what other people say. Never let other people's goals and dreams affect our life vision. It is our life and we decide where life will take and how long it will take to get there. 4. Good things don't come easy. If we want to have a good life with a successful career, emotional fulfillment, and trustworthy friends, we have to work hard for it. Luck can only take us so far and the rest is completely up to us. The effort in question is what we do every day and the ability to learn from the mistakes we have made. Don't think that other people will fight for what we want to achieve with the same passion and dedication as we do. 5. Never stop trying. Even when we feel most prepared, there is a possibility that we will fall short of our goals. An athlete can lead a race but he may fall right in front of the finish line and lose. But that doesn't mean the athlete has to stop competing. Instead, he would work even harder for the next competition. The result will be sweet in the end. 6. Take care of your health from an early age. When we are young, we can still push our bodies beyond their limits day after day. Like no one can touch us and we can't be defeated. However, as we get older, a lifestyle that is not good can have a negative impact on our health. We should start developing healthy habits at a young age to prevent future problems. 7. Make every moment count. Life goes faster than we think. When we're in our 20s, we think we'll be in that phase forever. But before we know it, we're in our 30s and it's too late for the things we want to do. Live life to the fullest because life is short and we never know what tomorrow will bring us. Take these life lessons as a guide to life and not a rule. Our life is our own and only we know what is best for us. Conclusion. There are many life lessons that we cannot learn until we face certain situations in our life. But having a strong desire to always learn and improve yourself is a must-have trait. That way we can learn about life before it's too late and regret it at old age.